The artificial intelligence (AI) revolution refers to the rapid development and widespread adoption of technologies that can mimic human intelligence and perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. The AI revolution has been driven by advancements in machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and other related fields. The AI revolution has had a profound impact on many industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. AI technologies have the potential to improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making in a wide range of applications. However, the AI revolution also raises important questions and concerns about the ethical and social implications of these technologies. Some worry about the impact of AI on employment, privacy, and security, while others see it as an opportunity to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, it is likely that the AI revolution will continue to shape the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button before you go.